In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jetpack plugin for WooCommerce 2025 full WordPress guide. By the end, you'll confidently add Jetpack to your WordPress site so you can enhance performance, security, and insights alongside your WooCommerce store. First, open your WordPress website's dashboard by signing into your admin area. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the left-hand sidebar with items like dashboard, posts, and plugins. Make sure you're using an administrator account, since installing plugins requires admin permissions. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Plugins. On the Plugins page, select Add New. This is where you can search the official WordPress repository for trusted plugins and install them in a couple of clicks. In the search bar at the top right, type Jetpack. You'll see several results. The one you're looking for is simply called Jetpack, and it's published by Automatic, the company behind wordpress.com and WooCommerce. If you see similarly named tools like Jetpack Boost or Jetpack CRM, those are related products, but for this guide, choose the main Jetpack plugin. Before you proceed, glance at the ratings, active installations, and whether it says compatible with your version of WordPress for extra peace of mind. Click Install Now on the Jetpack card. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically. When the button changes, click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on, making its features available to your site. After activation, look back at the left sidebar. You'll now see a Jetpack menu item. Click it to open the Jetpack dashboard within your site. From here, you can explore its features at your own pace. Jetpack includes tools that pair nicely with a WooCommerce store, such as performance enhancements, site stats, and security options. You'll find clear sections and settings screens that explain what each feature does, often with recommended defaults to get you started quickly. If you're new to Jetpack, take a moment to read the brief descriptions on each panel so you understand what you're enabling. It's a good idea to focus on essentials first, like uptime monitoring, brute force protection, and performance optimizations that can make your store feel faster for shoppers. You can always come back later to fine-tune or add more tools as your needs grow. That's it. You opened WordPress, went to Plugins, searched for Jetpack, installed and activated it, and confirmed it appears on the left side so you can explore. As a final tip, keep your plugins updated and check your site after changes to ensure everything works smoothly with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded WordPress toolkit.